my loving students. Last class I was discussed about the coordinate geometry of class 10. Today also I am going to discuss about this chapter. Last class I discussed the serially question number 6, and today I am going to discuss question number 7 and 8. Question number 7, the distance between the points a cos 25 0 and 0 a cos 65. Answer given a, 2a, 3a, none of these. I write down the formula of the distance. This point will let A, and this point let B. The distance is AB. The formula is x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. x1, the value of x1, a cos 25, a cos 25 minus value of x2 0 square hobo, and the value of y1 is 0 and value of y2 minus value of y2, a cos 65 square. Then a cos 25 minus 0 means a cos 25 a square a cos 20 square plus minus square plus a square cos square 65. A square common, then cos square 25 plus cos square 65 root over a square and root over cancel, a cos square 25 plus sin square 90 minus 25. The value of cos square 65 is sin square 90 minus 25. The same value. These are same value. Cos square 25 cos square 25 60 cos square 90 minus 25 65, cos square 65. Cos 90 minus 25 means sin square 25. Sin square 25 plus cos square 25 means 1. Means 1. 1. 1 and a multiply is equal to a. Answer A. Answer A. Next question. If x is a positive integer such that the distance between points P, x2 and Q 3 minus x 6 is 10 units, then x is equal to dot dots means x, the value of x. What is the value of x? The points P, x2 and Q, the point Q 3 minus 6, the distance between them P and Q, PQ. PQ, the formula of distance is root over x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. 2 square. The value of x1 is x. This is the value of x1. This is the value of x2. This is the value of y1. This is the value of y2. x1 means x minus x2 means 3. y1 means 2. y1 means 2. y2 means minus 6 minus and minus plus 6 square. Or the distance between P and Q, the point P and Q, PQ is 10 units. 10 units. 10 units. We write down the value of PQ 10. Now we are going to square in both sides. Both side square. Both side square. Both side square. Square. Both side square. Left side it has 100. It has 100. It has 100. Right side square and root over has been cancelled. This is x minus a minus b whole square. X square minus 2ab plus b square. 8 into 8. 8 square 64. This is plus minus. X square minus 2ab plus b square means x minus 3 whole square. X minus 3 whole square. 100 minus 64, 36. X minus 3 square. X minus 3. X minus 3. X minus 3 square. Left side 6 square. X minus 3 square. Left side भी में is square 6 square. Right side x minus 3 square. Both side square is cancelled. Left side in left side 6. Right side x minus 3. Minus 3. Right side in my right side minus 3. comes to left side plus 3. Plus 3 and plus 6 has been 9. X is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Answer C. The loving students, I am discuss in the language Hindi or English last 2 days, so it it is something wrong, and now in future I am going to discuss with you betterly. The if you like my channel, I think share my channel your friends. My 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 channel name is Math Solution 10. Thank you.